Welcome to Hatchbox Highlights, where we give you some quick insight on Hatchbox filaments. Today, we'll be highlighting resin. Print all your favorites and more with this low odor, low viscosity formulation. Hatchbox resin works best with the two most common display technologies, LCD and DLP. Whether you have an LCD or DLP printer, they work in much the same way by passing a UV image of each layer through the window into the 3D resin. Final prints with resin offer several advantages over filament prints: fine details, smooth surface finishes, and watertight objects. These features make it a great option for creating dimensionally accurate prototypes, miniatures for your favorite tabletop games, and beautifully looking jewelry. So you might be wondering, any special settings to print resin? Since photopolymer resins are toxic, they require learning new workflows and safety procedures. Personal protective equipment and well-ventilated workplaces are critical and must be used. We hope that we were able to shine light on what Hatchbox Filament is best equipped for. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. From all of us here at Hatchbox, thank you for tuning in. Until next time.